Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Ethereum update for Monday 20th of June, and we are on Ethereum chart here. So what is going on, what's happening? The first thing that I would like to say is I'm going to bring in the EMA. So you're going to have to follow the EMAs at this point of time. It seems like you actually crossed the 10 and the 20 for the very first time in a long time, and the technical target might be up here to $1,200 for Ethereum right now. And probably once it does get back up to $1,200, you're going to see what happens. Now, it's been a long time, ever since like 10 days. You've never really made the cross between the 10 and the 20 EMA. So if you actually do make a cross right now, that would be really, really good for Ethereum to actually start moving higher. Once again, who knows, you can actually, this might even be your bottom. You never know. This could be a bottom. By the end of the day, one support is actually going to be held for Ethereum, and you might actually just come up here very quickly. It can even be a quick wick, and then you start to roll over down in the market. So I'm not really expecting any dumps in the next 4 days. Maybe we might not have a dump, but there's still a little bit of shadiness into the market. So do watch the Bitcoin update today, as it's going to serve as a future indicator for what Ethereum is going to do. So guys, put a big stop loss down here if Ethereum is about to roll over again at the 1054. And that's it for this update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.